Yo, 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 welcome back to another edition of Jay's Strategies and the Markets. Guys, don't forget to hop on over to Twitter, like, follow. We drop a whole bunch of news and information and tweets throughout the day, and we always keep you guys updated to the best of our abilities. Let's go ahead and hop into the overall market cap and the top 10 to 20 tokens. Overall market cap, look at that, guys. We are sitting above 2 trillion. That is actually pretty good, even though it says that it's down 2 point, whatever. That's definitely a good thing that we're back over that 2 trillion. Bitcoin dominance actually fell a little bit more, so that means that people, now that Bitcoin went up, they came out of Bitcoin, go into altcoins, earn your bread. Bitcoin coming in at 43K, really, really good moves, rocking in the Bitcoin markets, as you can see. Ethereum, 3,049, Binance, 417, XRP, 81 cents. XRP had a parabolic move, 31% in 7 days. Excellent. Cardano coming in at $1.15. Solano, 111. There's some stuff happening with Solano, man. Solano blockchain is so overloaded. I mean, these transactions are coming and going, and they're flying, guys. So once these networks can actually handle much more traffic, it will be great for us. Avalanche, another project that I'm in, okay? And then you got Terra Luna, and you got your UST, where you can use Anchor Protocol with the UST, and you can earn income. Let's hop into the charts, guys. Bitcoin. We're going to first, on the Bitcoin chart, we are going to first look at the 1 hour. Okay, you can see that we have busted above the EMA ribbon here, coming in at 41.8. And as we rode above the top of the Bollinger Band, so you can see that when we came back down and retested that EMA ribbon, we go back up to the top of the Bollinger Band. Then we retest, we go back to the top of the Bollinger Band. It is patterns, guys. Patterns. Watch for your patterns, and that's just on the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and take a look at 4 hour chart. We can look and see where Bitcoin's gonna go. Now, there's a lot of different news and a lot of different sentiment in the market right now about what's happening with the governments and with the mining. But overall, I think fundamentals are actually pretty good, and there's some pretty awesome news out there. We can actually hop over and look at some things. I just want to cover a couple coins first. So, as you can see right here, Bitcoin needs to retest this area here, which is at 42,867. I want to see a bounce right here, and then a continuation to the upside, like I was telling you, because they bounce and then they go back to the top of the Bollinger Band. So target for me would be 45,300 on a bullish note. That is a good target for me. From what I'm looking at and seeing in the charts at this current time, I'm going to go ahead and say bullish today, because I'm going to hop over and I'm going to look at the S&P. The S&P did have that crash. People they leveled themselves out, and now see how the EMA ribbons are condensing? That means it's going to break either fast to the downside or fast to the upside. I believe there's some bullish sentiment in the market happening right now. Let's hop over to Ethereum. Ethereum back over 3,000. Excellent. Right when we had this move, on the 4 hour chart, we went above the EMA ribbon, and then as soon as we came, I was like, guys, this is a perfect buying opportunity right here at 2,600 on Ethereum, because of all the bullish and everything, the sentiment was going to happen, and we took off, guys. We rode the top of the Bollinger Band. We damn near came here, retested it, rode to the top. Now look where we are now. The question is, are we going to go higher? And if we do, my target would be in the $3,200 range. But we're facing some resistance at certain levels. Now these ribbons are acting as support. So we have a lot of nice stuff, a lot of good information and news out there. Let's go ahead and look at Cointelegraph, and let's see what kind of information or news they have for us today. So it says, Bybit partners with Capital to offer Euro and GFAT on-ramps. That's actually really bullish. Bitcoin begins correction after 45K rejection. Where can the Bitcoin price bounce next? So they're saying after the 45K correction, okay, where is Bitcoin going to bounce to next? I'm going to put the daily chart on here, and we're going to look. We have not been this far above the EMA ribbons in a while, top of the Bollinger Band. My guess would be we are going to dip down somewhat into these resistance levels, but we should see a nice move start to flip these EMA ribbons, and then that'll be the start of a nice bullish season for Bitcoin. Those are my views. This is how I feel, what I believe. But guys, you got to remember, day by day, things happen. Different things happen, We can end up rejecting and failing all the way back through this and hitting back to the bottom, which is 33K. So we can go from our 43 here right back to 33. But we just have so much bullish stuff out there, guys. Okay. Take a look at this news out there. It's no longer yada yada news. It's all kinds of good things. This Lightning Network and payment processing is going to cause a nice load on the Bitcoin network, which will hold us up, man, for generations to come, So we talked about Bitcoin. We talked about Ethereum. We're going to talk about Binance. I want to see Binance back at 500, and I want to see it bust out over 700. Binance just got into the ribbons on the daily, and they're fighting. So if I see Binance busting over 450, hitting 460 and holding, I will be extremely bullish on Binance. Matic is at $1.90. It has busted through the EMA ribbons, ripped up the Bollinger, and now it's retesting. So if it does a bounce and a retest right here, that could be time to buy more. Solano at 111 or 111. So that $90 mark was a nice buying zone for after this big run up, and then obviously you can't run up forever. So what ended up happening is they had all those network problems and stuff, so that could have drove them away. But their network transaction throughput is insane. So you can see where they're battling right there. I'm going to go crazy here and say target of 135. Okay. I'm in Phantom, which is Phantom's right here. It's at 219. I see it right in the middle. I really want to see Phantom hit 250 within the next coming days on a bullish scenario. That would be a target for me. Dogecoin is at 15.4. I really like to see the Dogecoin hit the 18 cents. That is going to be my next target coming into this nice bullish scenario here. Total overall market cap, we are battling a lot of resistance right now, but there's a lot of new money coming in, a lot of new inflow. Guys, don't forget to hop on over to our Twitter. Like, follow, do what you gotta do. Drop us a comment and rock out with us, guys. Remember, Jay's strategies to the moon.